My name is Ed Fogel, and I'm the developer of the material you will see here. Thank you for coming to our website. In this video, you will see a brief overview of the programs and services HDM Training offers. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then at 16 pictures every second for the next couple of minutes, you will be gaining a lot of new information and seeing great products that can make your training easier and more fun. The visual impact of CBT is one reason why it is so powerful, as compared to paper or PowerPoint presentations. When you add the audio track, it's like having your own personal trainer. The ability to interact with a program maintains interest and hands-on experience. In this example, we want to show the user of this software how to use the drag function to change a sales forecast. The yellow is a trend line. So what we're going to do is ask the user to put their cursor on the X and drag it to the plus sign, as this might be the anticipated effect of an increase in advertising at that certain point in time. Demonstrating a device by allowing the user to click on the buttons or see what happens is a great way to learn. How do you get the information out to your trainees? Computer-based training can be distributed and used online or on DVD. Since we develop in Flash, either format is easily transformed into the other. This versatility comes in handy when the internet is not readily available. Some software is not very intuitive, and training on that software can be a never-ending battle, even for experienced people. An interactive training program can be a huge time saver. The data entered can be measured, and the trainee can be taken through a simulation exercise, ensuring that it is all done correctly. Sometimes, a show and tell like this one is enough to train people. This can also be used as a resource for experienced people. Let's assume that you wanted to demonstrate how to create a table in Word. Here we will make a table of 8 rows and 3 columns, plus setting the font for this table to Verdana 12. Screencast video captures everything that happens on a screen. The correct procedure to do something can be shown, like filling in an expense report or accounting for time in the field. Currently, we are using a combination of Camtasia and Flash to build these programs. Often sales meetings are held in nice places, or at least nice hotels. The days of these meetings are usually very full, and the audience is subjected to a mountain of information that they should need in order to do their job better. Unfortunately, we forget the majority of what we learned within a very short time. The option of reminding the audience of the key points through an innovative technique that will almost ensure participation could be very valuable. The same course is often given by different people, and the same course can be very different. Sometimes the leader's guide can be huge and complicated, making a course difficult to administer. Automating the course ensures that the manager is still the facilitator, and the process will be better. Time schedules are better managed, question prompts and answers are embedded, so the facilitator does not have to be a subject expert. Any biases are removed. The result is a consistent, high-quality, complete course that is finished on time. Feedback from our trainees is very important, and testing is one way to see if the material given was understood and completed. Doing this securely and in a manner that inhibits cheating is also important. When setting up your quiz, there are several considerations that need to be addressed prior to development. This list contains the most common ones. This Excel report format is useful since it allows you to see the trainee's score as well as how they did on each question. At a glance, You will be able to see weaknesses and strengths in the quiz as well as the training. A very well-received service we offer is to send feedback back to the trainees, showing them which question they got wrong and how they answered it. The idea is for them to go back to their resources and find the correct answer. This is particularly important for those who missed the passing grade. Finding ways to review information and help make it stick is always a challenge. Interesting and challenging games are a great way to do this. We have two types of games. Our facilitated games require a facilitator to follow the on-screen instructions. Self-facilitated means that the trainees run the program themselves. Here you can see our games. Each game has a lot of space for question size, so graphics can be included. There's no set number of questions. All of these are facilitated except roulette. If you would like to see these in action, they are available online to try. Let us know and we'll set you up. We have covered a lot of ground here. HDM Training provides a range of computer-based training programs designed to help learning take place faster and better with an added element of fun. Contact us if you would like to know more about any of these programs or services. Thank you for watching.